Hey y'all, my name is Steve Kaminsky. I'm here at InfoComm 2026 at the Resi Media booth. We're getting to show off a bunch of new products that we've launched here at the show and that are available now. I want to talk a little bit about one of our newest products. Everybody loves to talk about AI right now, and we're talking about Studio AI, which is a way to, inside our platform, take any event that you've live streamed or video you've uploaded and be able to use AI to analyze said video, process it, and allow you to natively create virtual or vertical videos for social media posting. And it's super simple. You ask AI to enrich it, you come in, you can modify, it's going to make suggestions on tags that are then searchable on our platform. It's going to allow you to generate a description that you can insert. It's going to give you a searchable and editable text. You can create cues, add to playlists. It's going to give you summaries, discussion questions if you're doing education of some sort. But then the greatest part about this is that you can use it to inside the platform, search to create clips, or have it make recommendations. You can jump forward. You can manually set your framing or ask us to track it for you. And then you're going to be able to create that clip with a follow, and now you can post it to social media. And one of the coolest parts, and what has been a biggest struggle, is how do you follow someone walking across the stage? Our initial version looks great. It works amazing and it looks like a camera following. But here we are showing off our version 2 of tracking, where it looks even more like your cameraman is actively following your speaker and keeping him in frame, ensuring that your speakers, that your talent is on screen all the time and in frame when you're watching online. So you can check all this out at resi.io, or come by the booth. Hope to see you soon.